igcse Computer Science Paper 2, Task 2, Selling the Tickets. So, firstly, selling tickets equals to yes. And next, while selling tickets equals to yes, then this part underneath it, we would do this. If it's not equal to yes, then we would just skip this part and go to the next part that isn't under while. Okay, so time up equals to integer input. We have to put a number inside. Input it 9, 11, 13, or 15. So those are the going up times of the chains, and if the number input isn't equal to this and not 11 and 13 and not 15 and 9, then we would say error, do it again, and then keep on doing it. But if it does equal to one of these, then we wouldn't display this error, we would just go to the next. And next, for count in range 0 to 4, we'll repeat this 4 times. So if time up, the time up either 9, 11, 13, or 15 that we entered, if it equals to chain up times, as in count first time would be 0, so change up times in the array 0 was the position of 0, it would be 9. If it's equals to 9, then do this, and if it's 13, let's say it's equals to 15, then count would be 2. If 13 equals to change up times count 2, which is 13, then we would do index up equals to 2. So index up would be 2, and over here is the same thing but for going down. Time down equals to integer input this either 10, 12, 14, or 16, and while time down is less than time up, so it has to be more when you go up, and when you come down, going up will be early in the day, right? So if it's this or if it's or time down is not equals to 10, 12, 14, or 16, if it's either this or this, it's not both, even if it's either one, then it would display an error, else it wouldn't display and it would continue. So it would also check the position of the time up. If time up, let's say we entered 16 equals to, it would repeat it 4 times. First, put in the array position 0 would be 10. If 16 equals to 10, no, and then it would just do it again. Count equals to 1 now instead of 0. Position 1 is 12, no. 14 is position 2. It starts with 0, 1, 2, so no. And when it equals to 16, then we go down, index down equals to count, and 16 equals to 16, so position 3 would be count, right? So index down equals to 3. So firstly, over here, index up was 13, index up was 2, 0, 1, 2, and here index down equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, so 2 and 3. Now we move on to num tickets equals to integer input how many tickets will you buy, 10th is free. While num tickets is more than chains up tickets, num tickets as in we input the number integer, obviously it has to be a whole number, it cannot be 1.1 tickets, it has to be either 1, 2, or something like that. So while num tickets is more than the chains of tickets which is available of that specific position in the array which is index up, or number of tickets is more than the available number of tickets in the array position of index down, which was 3, then we'll go over here as we skip here. So yes, then we'll say error, input it again. We keep doing it until it is not more, if it's either less num tickets is equal to or less than change up tickets position index up. So okay, next, if total cost one way, okay, so total cost one way would equal to total cost multiplied by number of num tickets, which is the number of tickets, minus integer num tickets over 10. So this is the total amount of tens. So example, if you have 10 number of tickets, then you'll have one tens. So one, number of tickets 10 minus 1 integer num over 10. 10 tickets would be 1, so 10 minus 1 equals to 9. And ticket cost, which is a constant 25, it's in task 1, constant 25 multiplied by 9, because 10 is free. That would equal to total cost one way. And then you print the cost for going down and up, so one way and then going back down, total cost one way multiplied by 2. Okay, so trains up tickets index up, trains up tickets index up, the position would equal to change up tickets, that position minus the number of tickets bought. So the current availability of tickets, available tickets minus the number of tickets bought, that will become the new amount of tickets available. And same for down. Okay, and the money would increase, the total money collected. Initially, that position would be 0. Index up was 2, so position 2 in the array would be 0, and then we would add the total cost one way. And we're also adding the total cost for one way to the down. So one cost of going up and the other cost of going down. Right. Okay, so if that train is fully booked, change the tickets from 0 to closed. So it will repeat this 4 times. If train is up tickets, the amount of tickets available, and firstly count would be 0, then position number 1 equals to 0, then it turns it into a string and puts 0. Basically it repeats this 4 times. If it's 0, then turns it into a string, and this would be closed. Okay, and also for the down one, print chain times space, and this is just space tab, so space tickets space tickets availability. This is wrong, actually. This was supposed to be money collected, so this would print change times tickets and money collected. So it would repeat the next part, 4 counting range 0 to 4, to repeat this 4 times. Print change up times and count, which is 0. So change up times 0, position the array, space, this would print the time, this would print the tickets available and money collected. Same for the down, position 0 in the array, so that is 10, and the down tickets available for time 10 journey, and the money collected. And here selling tickets equals to input, would you like to continue selling tickets, yes or no. So we would input, and if it's still yes, then the while loop would continue, and if it's no, then over here this while loop will not continue. Thank you.